Iyong hoga salelia menko. Hai cungal sakaratan kapeng ho wow pan kukuran sama child coach. Kay poni ponorok soko an pon peyo. Pacuan waun ki soko. Legan ko nanalang ko honan kanyikan. Hai cungal wow choro rang kap na ngui pon pey. Karyawan kap na. Speaker and pon pey state legislature o yang amusaon kawada kasanat kan koros. Waun kison ko penglapalap o yang amusaon ko pungkan koros samoro kan o labalap kan koros nan balian momotso jiag o government o bachuan waun ki chuan way unsa yet sab machay roman ranwach o sab mamain son bapa Fraulein Frederick maban bachuan paki tao taban rong pukat irakayo Colonia Constitution Day ni September isak pariagatri isak payo Colonia bacuan kawawi aray chungal ran kasampal mayay sampar paisak and kokautan aray chungal pasan and kasanet the 48th year of Colonia Constitution Day mabacuan miyawi ni Colonia Gymnasium kasaraw mochangwachiao mabacuan chapeta ran kasampal wach o lukotokan mayang pachang kasaraw wach Yay, Mayor in Colonia Town, the Honorable Kumar Pisa, Speaker and Colonia Council, the Honorable Yuko Nakasane, William Luptikan, the Councilman Kan and Colonia Town Council, Song Kopung Lapalap, the Honorable Nelson Joseph, Tikan William Mauricio, Juan Paran, Billaman Henry, Williapan Election District Nampeo Nan Congress, the Honorable Merlene Apelo Alfonso, former Colonia Town Mayor, the Honorable Cassiano Schoenberg, Assistant Secretary in Office of Finance, Miss Christina Alnay, Lucan Malap, the Honorable Emerson Eperiam, Manankatar Lapalap, the Honorable Kiyomi Albert Calmete, Councilman and Sakos Municipal Government, the Honorable Albert Chani, Assistant Justice and Molingkopungensa, the Honorable Michael Nakasane, Director and Administration, Mr. Master Albert, Walyapa sang U.S. Embassy Colonia, Mr. Tarsis Harper, o Labalapchekan, Mayang Pachang. Kasarawi chop taklap tuwaw palamay sang, o lawlawan ruchingata sang tikan William Mauricio. Kasarawian play, pachuan miyawis sang Colonia Sound Police, Hoyrail Chong School and Ominous School, mabachuan kolki ponpiantam. Sakaratan kasam, pachuan miyawi sang Mayor and Colonia Town, the Honorable Kumar Pisa, wananachingal sakarata, mabachuan kasamo lugoto koros, mayang pachang kasaraw kasam palwach, obilian sa wacha, pachuan sakar kita chingal kapung, melalang irail ko, makawatar pasan ng kasanat wach, Moya tatag o laltor sampar paisak nan parwach. MC TTU bachiwan po na sa irail ko makachin da bachiwan kawatar o saing panar pasanan ko sanet mauya mamaur lalator ranwach. O irail kan himapansan salpa. The late Victor Edwin, the late Theodore Harris, the late Takashi Lucius, the late Martin Christian, the late Miguel Sam, the late Relio Yamada, the late Jones Eldridge, the late Koichi Mack, the late Dias Lauren, the late Mario Linney, the late Petrus Berman, the late Nero Harris, the late William Ladore, the late Constantino Victor, the late Clasio Edward, the late Yoshio I. Yamada, the late Joshua Philip, the late Bedwell Henry, the late Isaac Edward, the late Stanley Sngo, the late William Coltrick, or the late Walter Hadley. Hirail Meriak Ismanwach, Mabachuan Kawatapasan, Wach Nan Parkit Wopki Walisakpayo, or Hirail Koros Pachalar. Mabachang Hirail, or Pachpacho, Lelato Ranwach, Yay former Mayor Cassiano Schoenberg, Mr. Agalino Susaya, Mr. Joseph Smith, Mr. Yohanes Sam, o Son Kapung Lapalap, Nelson A. Joseph. Masanan Kawait, the keynote address Pachuan Miyawi sang son ko Lapalap, the Honorable Nelson A. Joseph, nanachungal sakarata Pachuan Ponasa Irailkan, Machapiatar Pasaran Kosonet Wach, Sakargita Chungal Kapung, Poekmaso Chapin Wach, Colonia Pan Socha Uchor Sangwinach. Abachuan Taula, Obachuan Kosompal and Colonia Constitution Day, Ochon Colonia Town and Kinkachaman Ranwach, Pachola. Floor Leader and Colonia Town Council, the Honorable Kasner Altens, Mebachuan Uyayer, Sakaratan Rachungati, the closing remarks. Okaim Sakila Lolo and Rachungati Sangwan Paran, Wilman Henry. Nikasarawa Chaim Saklar, Palkariao, Pachuan Chapta, Meye Kamatangan Changachang, Sang Irail Sarikan, Sang School Kan and Colonia Town, Yangaku Program, and Mama, the Senior Citizenship Program, Obilisus and Payamau, the raffle ticket. Ye Machakan, Mawia Program and Kobopan, Colonia Constitution Day. Irakariao, Ye Ponpei, ECE Day. Ni September sakpar yang terjadi sakpayo ponpe kacin kawawi peleuran kasampal ye early childhood education the ECE day mebacuan konopta sang opesan education nanwi ponpe kasarawaj pacuan wiyawi nechimen pix mebacatalan yar nanwi nat labalabakan mayang pacang dan kasarawaj ye waliapan office han kopna Mr. Patrico Irons, Pohnpei State Legislature Vice Speaker Makara Mikael, Ambassador and United States Song FSM, Ambassador Jennifer L. Johnson, Wanparan Frederick Alpert, Deacon William Yohannes, Waliapan Office and Education Mr. Destrudam, Luka Malap, and Opson Winkichi, the Honorable Emerson Eperiam, Walyapa sang Opus Chaikan Nanwin Pohnpei, Sampatak o Panaynekan. Theme and ECE Day and Parawach, Ye Mabansan Sal Pachonway, foster quality educational endeavors for all. Hirakasilu, Ye Kabinsaletala, and President and Ayo, John R. Aklalkam. Rong sang Opus and President and FSM. Wayne FSM co-chair nan Amolo and Way ni government and FSM Bachuan Sakarkitar Sipala the Kabinsaletala and President and Ayo His Excellency John R. Aklalkam Bachuan Kabinsaletalar ni Sabchambe Sakriyaw Parigatri Sakpayo nan Honolulu Wainawai. Former President John R. Aklalkam Bachuan Wia Karyaman and President and Federated States of Micronesia, the Kantaga Kapachapach and Micronesia, Sangnan Par Kit Tuop Kuali Sagisu, Lelkit Tuopki Tuaisakeo. All Kasampal manage, we are all in way, Niachwalan ku Pukalap, Ang Opalpan way, Pukalap, Nan Palyan Kamarain, Opal Wiyayer, All Watawat, Nan Sabmachay, Patabat. John R. Aklalkam Pachuan Putini Akas Asak Parket Tuap Kupay Saktuaw Pontaga Oripik Nanwinya O Pachuan Kasabulsang Beaverton High School Nanwin Oregon Niat Chingalanki AFS Scholarship O Pachuan Kaim Sakalara Chingal School ni University of Hawaii Nan Parket Tuapki Isisaksilu O Pachuan Aletier Bachelor of Arts and Political Science. Abachuan Aletia Rachingal Master's Degree ni Harvard Kennedy School, nan Public Administration, nan Par Kitwaputway Saksilu. Former President John R. Aklalkam Pachuan Chapiata Chingal Puka and Abaliway, nan Par Kitwapki Sisapayo ni Abachuan Sustar, Owyala Aman Congressman ni Awya Aman Walyapanwinya. Awya Ol Kasampalman, Yayang Pachuan Kawata, South Machail, Pasaran Kosanet and FSM, Nan Parkit, Tuopki, Sisakwalu. Pachuan Yanger Irailakan Kawata o Kosaneti, Kosanti, the Kosanetakan, Niachail Vialar, Uchoran Way, the independent country. Apachuan sustar o yalar karyaman and president ni May Isakriyaw para kutuop ke wali sa kisu o waliantier sa machail kayo and President and Ayo His Excellency Toshuo Nakayama. Pisajikpan ka bensalita lawat siyapan san salam kupurakan murin match. Kalanganin kupur koras match yay autaban sa machail ranwaj. Pachuan pagpagitya kupurakan and kachin sabali radio physics age hong ng rong kapakan naban konop tamol. Kalangan o kasalelya mangko.